Welcome back to our channel.
For a while now, Genesis has been the brand to watch, the ambitious challenger. But with this latest GV80, it feels like they're done knocking on the door of the establishment. They've built their own house, and the foundation of that house is a Korean philosophy of beauty, where luxury isn't just about adding more stuff, it's about being more thoughtful. We're going to explore how Genesis has refined its take on luxury, focusing on smarter choices instead of just more of them. It all starts with the exterior. Genesis calls its design language athletic elegance, and while that might sound like a contradiction, you get it the second you see the car. You've got the wide, confident Crest grille, inspired by the Genesis logo itself, flowing right into those unmistakable quad lamps. These thin lines of light have become the brand's calling card, day or night. But it's not just about looking good, it's about creating a feeling. Designers talk about the parabolic line, a single clean arc that sweeps across the side of the car. It gives the GV80 this sense of tension and grace, like it's in motion, even when it's parked. For 2026, refined bumpers and new alloy wheel designs make it look even sharper. You can tell Genesis isn't trying to be a carbon copy of its German rivals. It's carving out its own identity, and honestly, it's refreshing to see. Stepping inside is where the GV80 really shifts from being a car to being that personal retreat. The design philosophy here is called the beauty of white space, a Korean principle all about finding the perfect balance between tech and minimalism to create a cabin that feels open, airy, and genuinely calm. You can't miss the centerpiece, a massive 27-inch OLED display that sweeps across the dashboard. It merges the driver's gauges and the infotainment into one seamless pane of glass. The graphics are stunningly crisp, but more importantly, the whole system is clean and easy to use, so it doesn't distract you. But let your eyes wander past the screen for a second. The materials are where Genesis is really playing to win. The seats can be wrapped in gorgeous full-grain Nappa leather with detailed G-matrix quilting that looks and feels custom-made. You can also get genuine open-pore wood trim that has an authentic, natural texture you just want to run your hand over. From the leatherette on the dash to the perfectly stitched steering wheel, nothing feels like an accident. It's all intentional.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic.
Of course, a rolling retreat needs to feel like one on the road. The GV80 delivers. You can get it with a solid 300 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder or a powerful 375 horsepower twin-turbo V6. But honestly, the raw numbers aren't the main story here. It's all about the feeling. The whole driving experience is just serene. A huge part of that is the available electronically controlled suspension with road preview. It sounds complicated, but it's brilliant. A forward-facing camera literally reads the road ahead and tells the suspension to adjust for bumps and potholes before you even hit them. The result is a ride that's unbelievably smooth and composed, insulating you from the road without making you feel disconnected. Paired with active noise cancellation, the cabin stays incredibly quiet. It's the perfect environment to just enjoy the drive, or to really crank up the fantastic available 18-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. Driving the GV80 isn't about screaming for attention with aggressive performance. It's about effortless, quiet competence. That's the final piece of the puzzle that makes it feel like a true sanctuary on wheels. So, back to our original question. Does the 2026 Genesis GV80 actually deliver on that promise of a luxury retreat on wheels? Without a doubt. In a market crowded with great SUVs, the GV80 stands out by not trying to be the loudest or the sportiest. Instead, it aims to be the most serene. This is a car for someone who sees the art in a clean design, who appreciates the feel of real materials, and who understands that sometimes the greatest luxury is just a bit of race.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.